Hello everyone, today we are showing the iPhone's circuit structure. So there are 5 kinds of cables on the iPhone circuits. There are power lines, ear lines, pixel lines, touch lines, and ground wire. So we check from the power lines, and you can see we're looking at the very edge of the screen. And this 1, 2, 3, 4 from here. From here to here, there are power lines, controls the electricity. And how about these 3 lines? They are ear lines, controls the ear. And we keep going to the inside of the circuits. And these 3 cables are also power lines. And then after we look through the power lines, we will see these lines. And this is called pixel lines, controls the pixel of the screen. So there are total 6 groups of pixel lines on the iPhone screens. So this is the first group from here, the first line of the first group. And we keep going to the inside. Okay, now you will see a big white block. So this is the end of the first group, pixel group. And what about this white block? It's ground wire. So if there is crack on the ground wire, you can ignore it. But you need to fix the cracks on the pixel lines. So we keep going to the inside, and we have finished the first group. And how about this? This structure is a touch cable, called touch cable, controls the touch of the screen. And this is ground wire again. This is the start of the second group. We keep going inside. Until we see a big white block again, the ground wire again. Okay, this is the end of the second group. Okay. This is the start of the third group from here. Okay, now we meet the white block again, the ground wire. So this is the end of the third group. And we keep going inside to find another 3 groups. Okay, now we meet the fourth group, the start of the fourth group. Okay, now we can see the white block again, the ground wire again. So this is the end of the fourth group. And the end of the fifth group. Also touch cable. It's the sixth group. Now we finish all the pixel lines, and now we meet these cables again. And number 1, 2, 3 are power lines. And the number 4, 5, 6, they controls the ear on the other side. And the rest of lines, they are power lines. And then we meet the edge again. So this is all the cables on the iPhone circuits.